someone faced, I need this. Calling out my name, say meet me, CDs away. Now I go under, hold my breath and flow. Trust the current takes me safe for sure. Now this is my remedy, remedy. Let the seas sway with me, with me. We're getting my energy, energy. Let the seas sway with me, sway with me. My remedy, remedy. Let the seas sway with me, with me. Getting my energy, energy. Let the seas sway with me, sway with me. I would try to hold on, treading water in this big storm now. Try to swim away, crash just like a tidal wave. I go under, hold my breath and flow.
Regina, what you doing? This spot.
All right. Thank you.
Bye, Mama.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
See you later. Well, have a good day, okay? We'll see you soon.
Yeah. Bye. Don't stop.
My energy, energy. Let the sea sway with me, sway with me. Sway with me, sway with me.
How are you?
Can I get one water? Thank you.
Gigi.
So he took a little nap on me earlier today. That's what ended up happening. I saw him snuggle and I'm like, oh.
Like
Zidane. What is it? Come on.
Oh.
I know you know what you are doing. I don't know why she swallowed the cake. It was a mistake. Right, look at it. This is what is this? That's the cake, right? Say cake.
No.
That's the cake. That's the cake.
Oh no.
Okay, here's the old lady.
Oh no.
Yeah, that's the old lady.
Oh.
See, let's see what she swallowed now.
Oh no.
No.
There was an old lady who swallowed a hat. It wasn't flat. The fun patty hat.
Oh no.
See, we're almost done. Alright, let's go. She swallowed the hat to put on the balloons.
Nothing the full. Say balloon.
Say balloons. Balloons. She swallowed the balloons to beat the sign.
Morning. I know it's hard to wake up because the sun's in your eyes, and sometimes life kind of sucks, but you've got this. And hey, you never know, there's 100 million ways that this day could go. So I'm just popping in to say, I hope you have a good day. Good morning. We've only been dating for a year. So I'm gonna take the risk and sound a little weird. I want to pick
You're not wearing glue.
and arch around the entrance to IKEA twin bed for the kids. It's normal to be a little scared. So I'm gonna bend the rules and play some truth or dare. So actually, any question, I don't really care.
It's naked.
The only thing I care about is if you meet me there.
And I wanna take you in it. And I know you understand. When you hold me, I see the end of a movie. Everyone thinks that we're crazy, but baby we are. I hate the middle, let's get to the part where you kiss me. Surrounded by friends and a family, no, you're too young to get married. When you from the start,
I'm sick of waiting, so can we just get to the point?
You know, we've got no hardness there, but that's kind of what we'd expect. Okay. So I'm going to do the same test, but now we'll start just from the top. Start it over. Drops. I use a chemical water softener. They measure this stuff in a term called grains per gallon. If there is no hardness at all, it'd be under 1 grain per gallon. Once you have hard water, you're over that 1 grain, and then that's when it kind of starts to damage stuff. So every drop of this is going to be 1 grain per gallon. First thing I'm doing is putting an amber color in here. So I'm going to do 2 droppers of this into each sample. That was fast, man. Okay. I can tell you it's going to be super high because it doesn't always change that quick. Oh man. Honestly, I have a feeling this one's going to go off the scale.
I think I took this series like from the shower.
When the shower was running, you already smelled it a little bit? Yeah. When it's this high, that's not surprising because, like, if you look at this color, and you can take it from me, match that color on the scale. It's darker at the top. The 0.2 is the lightest. Like, how high would you say that is? First thing you'll usually notice, a lot of old Tide commercials would talk about that stuff. And then if I put a little light under here, you'll see a bunch of little floating particles in the water. See all that stuff?
Yeah.
It's essentially some of the detergent that gets left behind, mixes with some lint and probably picks up some dirt and stuff in there. So what I'm going to do is just shake this guy up. I'm curious though, what do y'all use for laundry detergent? Like what brand? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, it's not like your washer isn't doing what it's supposed to, or, you know, y'all aren't doing it proper. It's really just the water causing soap scum to lock into our clothes. Now, okay. So what just happened is the hardness is essentially kind of sticking to, or the soap is sticking to the hardness particles that are in the water. It kind of wants to clean the water essentially, right? Versus the blue one, we pulled that stuff out, hence why it just stays crystal clear. Now, who handles most of the laundry around home? Mm-hmm. You do? Okay. We're gonna give you the easy job then. So, boom, blessing one. So, I set you up to lose, my man. Okay, so what just happened? Pass it over to you. And hard water again, like I said,
to use more.
Correct. It's not going to do the same. And that's what I was telling you when you asked earlier about you like to see the suds in it. Well, hard water eats up a ton of that stuff. Yeah. You're using more soap because of it, right? What we want to do is get these to be even though. So considering I did 3 drops of both, but you see how it's actually like a film on the top? That film wants to stick to the wall. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm thinking either 15 or 21. If my math is right, 15 might get us there, or at least close to it. See if that works. All right.
Yeah. Doesn't.
15 was good. Cool.
And this is just 3.
Correct.
And look at this.
I know, they look very different.
Yeah.
Now, I like silly questions, so by look, if you could only jump in and shower or bathe for one of them for the rest of your life, which one do you think you're going for? See, I made you laugh. I told you it's silly. Would you expect one of these to work better washing clothes with? No, there's a lot in there, man. And normally we're gonna expect the cleaner water to kind of work better, do a better job, obviously. But then the money being spent, that's kind of the big one, because like you say, okay, 3 drops on the blue side, right? 3 things of detergent, $3 versus 15. Now every
Goes down on the pipes and all this stuff.
yeah, it's not even just settling down in it. It's like